Aloha, everyone. Welcome to episode 5 of my winter-long adventure in Hawaii. My name is Beach Monkey. I'm a photographer, surfer, and traveler, and I'm spending 3 months in Honolulu. Come along for the ride as I surf, explore, and share some of the best spots on Oahu. I started my morning with a surf session at Canoes in Waikiki. One of the more popular long boarding spots on the island, there's something just so special about paddling out first thing in the morning. The day is fresh, the water is beautiful, and the rhythmic motion of the paddling is almost meditative. The waves that day were about 1 to 2 feet, pretty typical for early November. The lineup was a mix of locals, tourists, and beginners, with their surf coaches yelling them on. Since it was high tide, the break was a little further out, so I had a longer paddle out, about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm still getting used to these long Hawaiian paddle outs. Back on the East Coast, I can reach the lineup in about 15 seconds. The minute I got out, I saw my first double rainbow of the day. Super faint, but stretching beautifully across the sky. That never gets old. I also saw Cass, the plus size surfer whose goal is to learn how to row. She was with her surf coach, Crash. You can follow her journey at Surfer Cass. I really love seeing people who push themselves and improve every day. I met a surfer from Japan named Kenji. Super cool guy. He carried a fanny pack on him while surfing to keep his essentials with him. Gotta love that creativity. The waves that day were long and fun. I caught a ton of great rides. Nothing beats that Waikiki glide. Later that evening, I headed back to Canoes for a sunset session. Like I have said before, sunset surfs in Waikiki are the perfect mix of epic views, fun waves, and a social club all rolled into one. I caught my last wave of the session, a long, smooth ride all the way in. After a full day of surfing, I was starving, and I needed some good food and a cold beer. I decided to check out Beer Lab, Hawaii, at Pucks Alley. I've heard it was one of the best craft breweries in Honolulu. I was told if you love unique, small batch brews, this is the place for you. Beer Lab Hawaii is located at 2600 South King Street, near the University of Hawaii at Manoa. The vibe here is laid back, modern, welcoming, a great spot to grab a drink after a surf or just to chill with friends. The coolest part about this place is they're all about experimentation. Instead of a fixed beer menu, they're constantly brewing new flavors and trying out different styles, so every visit is a new experience. I ended up having the fried chicken sando and Korean-style chicken fingers. I was being a pig. I shouldn't have ordered 2 entrees. But both were insanely good. Crispy, flavorful, exactly what I needed after a long day in the water. Between surfing all day and hanging out at Beer Lab Hawaii, this was an epic day in Honolulu. Have you been to Beer Lab Hawaii or Surf Waikiki? Definitely let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying these travel logs, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And stay tuned for more Oahu adventures. Mahalo.